Hi, and welcome to LittleBits HQ. My name is Crystal, and I'll introduce you to the LittleBits Base Kit that's part of our Exploration series. If you didn't already know, LittleBits is an expanding library of electronic modules that snap together with magnets. You can take those modules and combine them with craft materials, building sets, and toys to electrify your life. I'll show you how to use the 10 modules in the kit and some exciting project ideas in the booklet. When you open the box, you'll first find this booklet. It tells you all about the bits, modules, projects, and other resources. You'll notice right away that LittleBits come in different colors. The modules are grouped into 4 different categories. LittleBits snap together with magnets. The magnets are always right, and you can't snap the modules the wrong way. The first module you see there is power. All power modules are blue. This module connects to a 9-volt battery to supply electricity to your LittleBits circuit. It's connected to a bright LED, a small module with a lot of bright white light. The bright LED is a green output module. All green output modules do something. They light up, they buzz, they move. You can place a pink input module before your green module to control them. Push the button to turn it on and release it to turn it off. The light sensor measures how much light is shining on it. In light mode, the more light that shines on it, the higher the signal it sends out. Or in dark mode, it's just the opposite. The signal increases the darker it gets. You can adjust the sensitivity using the purple screwdriver. The light sensor is attached to a bar graph, which has 5 LEDs in different colors that light up to show you how much signal the module is receiving. The dimmer lets you control your creations with the simple turn of a knob. Turn it clockwise to send more signal to your outputs. Now try your dimmer with the buzzer. This module's sound makes a noise that you just can't ignore. The DC motor rotates a D shaft when you send it an on signal. You can change the direction of rotation with the left-right switch. To make it easier to attach materials to your motor, we've included the motor mate, and we'll show you how to use that later. The wire is orange and allows you to physically separate your modules. All orange modules help you expand your reach or change direction. So those are all the modules in the base kit. Now let's take those modules and combine them with household materials and see what happens. The first tip is about the DC motor. There's so many great materials that you'll want to attach to the DC motor, and the best way to do that is using the motor mate. You'll see that the DC motor has a D shaft on it. Go ahead and slip the motor mate onto the D shaft and just slide it in as far as you can. If you look closely at the motor mate, you'll notice that there's a hole there with some ridges. That's for you to attach materials to. The best thing is that you can attach a Lego axle right into the motor mate so you can seamlessly build into your Lego sets and make things spin. One fun project that we like is adding feathers into the motor mate, like so. And if you attach it to your power bit, you just made a tickle machine, so you can go and tickle your friends. And all the bits can be used in such unexpected ways. If you take a look at this dimmer, add a straw that you have at home just by sliding it on the top, and you just extended 5 to 6 inches so that you can have a more playful handle for your projects. And if you like these tips and tricks, there's plenty more online for you to explore. There's so many great projects you can make with the base kit. One of my favorites that's in the booklet is called the morning alarm clock. All you need is a power, a light sensor, a bar graph, and a buzzer. The way this one works is you have to set the light sensor to light mode So as the sun fills your room when you're sleeping, the bar graph lights will turn on to wake you up, and the loving buzzer sound will also turn on to wake you up, so you'll never be late. If you're looking for a more complex project, we have this three-wheeler. What's great about the three-wheeler is that you can make it at home. It's made out of cardboard, grill skewers, all craft materials. This one also features a light sensor. So when you turn it on, it will ride along in the light, and then if you cover the sensor, it stops, so you can actually control the way that it rides. After you've checked out all the great projects in the Base Kit booklet, be sure to go online for more inspirational ideas, like this handy flashlight or this moving puppet master. Better yet, make your own project at home and share it with our community. That's it for the Base Kit, but be sure to check us on Twitter and Facebook, and if you have any questions, email us. Now go make something.